Hello, 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 hello. How's everyone doing? Hey, Joshua, I think I just seen that. Thank you for the 5 gifted subs, brother. And also Corn Dog Gorilla, thank you very much for the 4 months in a row, my brother. Thank you guys for the subs. You didn't have to, we just started. And Blake the Falcon. Much appreciated, brother. How's everyone doing? Tom McLovin, hey, cheer for the 4 months, my brother. Cheer, my brother. Love from Australia. Cheer, my bro. And Zargo Basin. Lakers suck. I mean, there's you sitting on your ass doing nothing. How many rings you got other than the ring in your bum? Get out of here, kid. I mean, come at me, bro. I'll roast your ass till it's Sunday. What up, buddy? Yo, just in time. Yo, thanks for the 6 months, brother. We'll take you 2:30 AM here. Oh, my bad for starting late, Joshua. Yeah, I had a midwife appointment today, but thank you, brother, for tuning in. Jet Black as well, thank you for the sub. But just in time, thank you very much for the 6 months in a row, my bro. Congrats on your new badge upgrade too, brother. Yeah, cheers, Thunder. Yeah, so I want to try and get this piece done so we can move on. Definitely going to try and get all the carving side of it done this week so we can move on and do JT's piece that I got ready. Oh damn. Thank you very much, Harrison, for the 2 months, brother. Yeet. Cheer, my bro. Much appreciated, brother. And then Useless Kato, or is it Katu? Thank you very much for the bits, man. Bro, he's too kind. So we can either catch up for a few minutes or I'll just start carving straight away. I leave it up to you all the time. How can I donate? By watching. But if you play well, there's this mount I can't get anymore called Zulian Tiger. Keep it just between us. If you want to send it to me, brother, I will gladly accept. But other than that, just watch. Yo, Anonymous Cheerer, thank you, man. You didn't have to. And C-Lad, thank you very much for the sub, my brother. Have a beer first. Yeah, JT, so I'm probably going to cut out your piece off stream today. So, yeah, probably use the chainsaw and get it ready, and then I gotta go back into town again and print out the pictures for the secret project we're doing. Zex Marcus, great 6 months watching you. Yo, thank you very much for the 6 months too, my brother. Congrats on your new badge upgrade too, my bro. That mane is growing. Much appreciated, my brother. But you didn't have to though. And Nectar Greenstein, thank you very much for gifting a sub to Shrimp 02. Thank you, brother. Great music choice. I just play anything that the MCA doesn't follow in. Scary stuff. I see that Void Boy just got banned as well. Hey, Skills, hope everyone you're doing it. Cheers, Skills, how are you, my brother? So in the Discord tonight, I'm gonna try stream playing well. Just the starting area, Exile's Reach. Papa Jelly Man, thank you very much for the sub, brother. So our internet has been installed, but they have to like do the internet fiber line to the house, and then we can start looking at streaming games. Obviously WoW's gonna be one, but I want to play fun games too, like silly scuffed ones. Those would be cool. Especially that animal game when people like throw each other off the plane. That looks pretty funny. Hello Olive. It's my evening, really enjoy your work. Thank you very much, brother. What's your favourite WoW zone? Thunder Bluff, brother. Mongol. This Discord stream. Yeah, I'm gonna jump in one of my ones tonight and just mainly just to talk with everyone in there, because I haven't used those voice chat rooms in a while. Last one was just talking to Otter and Mahalo. Party Animals is the name of the game. Yeah, that one. It just looks funny, eh? Cedo, thank you very much for the bits as well, brother. Much appreciated. Fortnite? Nah. I'd rather play... What would I rather play than Fortnite? I actually don't know. But something other than Fortnite anyway, brother. You're the person that will lead us out of 2020. No, everyone's gonna lead themselves out of 2020. Yeah. I'll just be still streaming so everyone can chill here. Yeah, Grizzly Hills is another cool place as well. Thank you, Aka Valley and Bold Ass Gorilla. Thank you, brothers. Okay, I think we've talked long enough, eh? We'll have a look at what we did yesterday before the bros turned up. And so what's the slab behind you? My piece. Yeah, so I'm gonna cut a section off because I've already drawn the mask up. Yeah, that was just what did my uncle dropped off. He goes, here, have this. I was like, yeah, because you asked. Now I have a reason to use it. Yeah, Slipknot guy. So two of the mods are actually living over in your neck of the woods as well, through Europe, and yeah, they've been telling me, because you know I get concerned for everyone, eh? That's a part of this. How was yesterday? I was cool, eh? Other than being caught off guard, I got pretty nervous when they both turned up. Like really nervous. Is that Cody? The one at the back? Yep. It's another big slab of Cody. He goes, here, have this. I can't make a fence out of this. So it'd be a waste to make a fence out of it anyway. Yeah, he just dropped it off and just said, here, make this into something that's not a fence. And I just went, deal. You came by, two of the mods. So Thunder Punch and Just for Kicks. I didn't even know they were coming over, eh? And then I just seen them at the driveway, and then I started low-key getting hot, fast heartbeat. They told me that you already knew. Yeah, but I thought he was joking. And he said, when do I joke? I went, all the time. Thanks, Deathbringer. Thanks, Jukey Big Toe. Getting the PS5 for Christmas along with the new Spider-Man game and Devil May Cry. Nice, Slipknot guy. I missed out on a PS5 this time around due to all the high demand and pre-orders. But that's all good. I'm actually looking forward to playing The Ruined King by Riot Games, or Riot Forge. Best weather report on the Half Pint News. Yeah, because I took my jacket off inside and he was quite sweaty. Sage, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Thank you. I'm around in your streaming. Welcome, brother. Cheer, Eddie. Thought I'd pop in for a quick hello. Yeah, cheer, my bro. This weather report on the half pony. I lived in New Zealand for a year and a half and miss it heaps. I live in Rotorua. Jay Stray, thank you very much for the sub, my man. Didn't have to, brother, but thank you. Yeah, so we had our midwife appointment today. Actually hit full term for our next baby this Saturday, so it's pretty much up to her when she wants to make her grand entrance, our second child. Have you seen the new My Hero Academia? Yeah, I've seen all of them, brother. Damn, someone found it. Oh, and Mac the Green. Mac Torgstein, yo, thanks for the 5 gifted subs, brother. Bro, you didn't even have to. Those went to Dre AF, The Cake Goes Moo, Leveled RS, Yolfaheim, and Saray. Thank you very much, brother. You honestly did not have to. And Mr. Glue, thank you very much for subbing as well. And then, Kaya, you didn't have to give me $5 here. Thank you, though. Much appreciated, brother. I'm gonna buy it on Blu-ray. Oh man, it's good, eh? It's really good. Having another girl, yeah, Jet Black. Having another girl, brother. So that means 2 bloodthirsty dogs when they hit their teens that will sit outside their windows, and I'll need to renew my gun license just to look very intimidating. I'll just leave my gun license on the table. Yo, ZTV, thank you very much for the raid, my bro. Yo, welcome everyone from Z's stream. My name's Broxh. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. I just started actually, but welcome everyone. I thought it didn't show my name. It did. Is it and what? Thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. Yeah. As a man who crafts for long periods of time, my masculine handshakes are ready for these little eggs that try and get with my daughters when they change to their teens. I will be looking to break bones. Yeah, so masculine handshakes all around whanau. Was it just like a PR thing? Nah, there was no media. She just wanted to come and visit and say hello. So the head office rang me up first, not herself, like Auntie, and Auntie didn't ring me up herself, I would say. And Broxh says Eagle Bowers. Thank you, Miguel, for the bits, brother. Much love to you too, my bro. Beastars, it's a mystery drama thriller anime similar to Zootopia. Is that out of it anime and the bunny and the wolf? I've heard about that. The world needs more people like you. Was the PM here again? Nah, Joe, nah. She's only turned up once. But someone asked how it all happened. I mean, yeah, they contacted me. They didn't know I was Broxh. Then I had my little Tony Stark moment where I said, oh, I'm Broxh, by the way. Yo, smell sexy. Thank you very much for the corgis, man, and much appreciated for the comments as well, brother. What's this? Deep fried yuan. Isn't what's a yuan? Thank you for the sub as well, brother. Damn, 3 months in a row, my bro. And I have never been to Hawaii. Would love to one day, once everything's calmed down in terms of the virus and what's going on in America, all that type of stuff. Looking forward to attend my first BlizzCon online next year. They're called by my real name. Do you play rugby? Not anymore, brother. Not anymore. Which reminds me, there's a game on this weekend, eh? Love it. Where do you come up with the idea of what to carve? Just look back. Like, my ancestors pretty much laid the foundations for what we have today. Basically, I would say. Yeah, but to all our whanau that's living in America, please stay safe. I'm an old man too, I watch the news. You do any carvings via burning? Nah, bro, I don't do that. Mainly because our ancestors never did it. Blank Noia. That's why that's why I'm just mindful everyone. Sobs in corner. I didn't know a president could stop the votes, eh? That's pretty out the gate. I thought that was really interesting. Love that Animal Crossing music. Yeah, I just chucked Smash Bros music on. Yeah, the thunder and just turned up and I didn't even know, my bro. It caught me off guard pretty hard. Spoilers, he can't. Oh, true. I just seen that whole I want to take them to court, I want them to stop the votes. Let's stop it there. And then I was laughing at his son, Donald Trump Jr. He posted up like a map of the world and how his party's red. He made nearly majority of the world red, like his party, and New Zealand wasn't it. And I commented on it, I was like, don't you ever dare bring my country into this again. It was like, you mung bean. Yeah, mana, that's what I'm worried about too, eh? In terms of you guys, not so much anyone else. Yeah. Here the Dead Sea is red like it was a country. Wow. Do you even Atlas? For the memes, if you get into memes, you could like get his map he done with all the red continents and just do the whole sea blue. just to be a cheeky fella. You sound like the rock guy. Oh, we don't say that name around here. But other than that, bro, hi, my name's Cork. I'm pretty much the leader around here. Well, yeah, I tried to start a revolution but didn't print enough pamphlets, and the only one that turned up was my mother's boyfriend, who I hate. And he had Antarctica as well. God damn, he trying to invest in the penguins too. Just calling out to the narwhals, eh? I need you to sign here with the horn. Oh no. 50 smackaroos. Holy hell, my bro. Mai hea ha tōna ingoa. Kare tae te kite. $50. What the hell? Oh my god. Yo, thank you for the $50, bro. I understood most of that. Te hea ha tōna ingoa, ko e te tangata I hoatu I te moni. Kare o tae te kite I tōna ingoa I runga e te Twitch, engari kai te kite o I tōna ake ingoa. Oops, I realised the sub I gave you only got half of that. Pardon? Yo, thanks for the... oh, bro. Much appreciated, brother. Holy cow. Just wanted to ask, your ancestors came from Hawaii, right? Who took your family to New Zealand? Some say we came from Hawaii, Tahiti, or even Hawaii. Oh, never mind. He's lost me now. Oh, my bad. I was just asking what his Twitch name was because I missed it. Got a few more bits. Oh, come on, Schmelly. Thank you for the corgis, man. You honestly don't have to, though. Corgo 1. Thank you once again for the $50. Honestly, bro, you didn't have to, eh? Because that's a lot just to give away. Ah, bloody hell, Kaya. Salt. Thank you, my bro. You didn't have to, though. $50, bro. I hope it is. Are you still an American citizen? Oh, come on, bro. I live in Aotearoa, New Zealand. I'm not American. Hey, Nathan. Yeah, bro, you're one of the names that I remember. Man, there were so many, eh? But your name in particular was one that I remember. Much love, Catalog. That's your Catalog? Is that right? Catalog oldie. Thank you, brother. Bro, just remember, look after yourselves first too, eh? That's the main one. You gonna get a Switch? Nah, I've decided not to give one. Meowster, thank you very much for the sub. You did not have to, and I feel like that's maybe one of the sisters, or they say thank you, my sis. want to buy mine. I don't play it much anymore. No, it's all good, man. Yeah. It was more of a want than a need. I didn't really need it. It was more of a want, and that's all I based it off. And plus Shadowlands is out soon, and I'll probably be playing that more anyway. Yo, Mac, and then you sub yourself, brother. Yo, thank you, my bro. For a long time, keep up the good work. Love you. What up? Thank you, Mac Talks. Bro, just remember, hey, you can just watch for free and look after yourself. Much appreciated, my brother. Oh, all good, Harrison. All good, brother. No need to apologise. So these are prepped. Will do. Be safe. You too, brother. You too. Might as well give away some love while I can. Nah, man. You just look after yourself. Be safe, bro. That's all I want to say to everyone in America that's watching now. Be safe. For me, if you can. I love having chats with you guys when you come back. Aloha, Measta. Man, who would have thought two old farts could turn the country upside down, eh? Thanks for the great content. Much love, Measta. About to be wild here. Yeah. I mentioned it yesterday that there was a truck here. That secret project. Hey, that's the only hint I'm gonna give you, JT, is that you've already seen it. Cause I know you play games. I'm sure you do, and I'm sure you've seen a lot of games that are coming out. A lot, and you would have come across it. A little glimpse of it. Critical's chat is so much faster. Yeah, man. I tune into him now and again, and yeah, I just watch. It's too hard to talk because I usually say hello and all that. And but yeah, it's just because he moves too fast. Man, he's got nice hair as well, eh? Can we address how old both of them are? Yeah. You play PS4? Not that much anymore, brother. Yeah, Typhoon. He's cool though. I was watching his stream a few weeks back or a few days back when he was doing Yu-Gi-Oh cards, and he pulled some dragon card, and he was happy as. So I'm guessing it was a good card. I don't really know much about Yu-Gi-Oh and all that. They're pretty epic too, my bro. And I see WoW streamers are starting to try and look for like old TCG boxes to try and get the spectral tiger mount. I was like, damn, that's pretty sweaty. I think, who did I see? Stay Safe. So he purchased an old 10k. Oh right, no, that's why he buzzed out, because it's $10,000. I mean, I would too. Yeah, watch Stay Safe. He purchased a, I don't know what box it is, but it's got the tiger in it, and He pulled the spectral tiger, but it was a normal card. It didn't have the code on it. Because he was buzzing out and he went, wait, where's the code? And then he shortly after that he found out that he shortly found out after that it was just yeah, you can get normal spectral tiger cards. You play well yourself, Conrad. Yeah, I most definitely do, brother. Something I plan on doing is trying to be a good tank. I'm kind of over DPS. I mean, I'll always play Fury with my warrior though, but yeah, I want to start getting good at tanking. I got inspired by Taoli like a few months back. I've got a ton of these old trading cards. Taco Bell, you could be sitting on a gold mine, brother. Random, yeah, still full, brother, still full. Sorry. Reggae fan, yeah, but majority of the time I listen to NZ reggae or ones from the islands. Other than that, just Bob Marley, the Wailers. Oh, heaps of those old school ones, eh? UB40. But obviously with the DMCA law, thanks Kid Rock, we can't play them. Taoli from South Park, nah, he's like one of the oldest WoW players that's been streaming on Twitch. He's actually hit 10 years. Owen, I'm gonna call you All Winner. All Winner, thank you very much for the $5, my brother. Much appreciated, my brother. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You did not have to, but much appreciated, my brother. Yeah, I want to try and find new sound alerts, see? Like the old ones from the Orc Peons. Like when someone follows, it'll go, something they're doing? And eventually, when I start streaming on the PC, I'm gonna turn like the Donner alert up where it's gonna scare me, which will be a good laugh. But hoping no one does it. Work. What's your favourite snack? Oh, I don't know, eh? My equivalent of a snack is not like a little one. You should get a flashbang set. No, I'll leave that to Quinn. I remember seeing it for the first time too, and I was going, what the hell's going on here? And it's like, oh, it's just this new thing I put up, flashbang. And I was like, why? It's like, oh, because I'm an idiot. I said, oh, okay. I mean, you're pretty good at games, but okay, brother. I'll donate. No. No need to donate every 5 minutes. Yeah, I know Poupou. Can't play it though. Hey, Mango. I want Banoffee. We figured out if you use his new muted reward and then a flashbang, it delays the audio cue until the lights go. Oh wow! Damn, people getting sweaty with his alerts as well. Schmallow sexy. I can't be stopped. Oh please, the corgi horde is too much. Thank you, Schmel. You didn't have to though. Boy, best movie ever. Oh, I don't know. I feel like Hunt for the Wilder People is up there as well, mainly because it's a true story. I'm seeing that doesn't quite answer my question for how a blade cuts into it using... What's that for, bro? Yeah, up to Kaya. Gifting a sub to Stream Elements. You're making him, you're upgrading it to Skynet. Oh, Toro! Kia ora, Broxh, it's looking good. Changed heaps since I saw it too, my bro, Albatross. Hope you're doing well, brother. Yeah. On the last section. Thinking of doing up on the face here too. But true, my bro. Yeah, we just got these to do. These pakati. Wait, Ricky Baker is real. Yeah. Yeah, the story's real. So they actually were hiding where I'm from, Jiggy, in Maungapoatu. You too, man. Sorry I haven't ducked in much lately, but bit of stuff going on. Oh, Albatross, bro. I don't expect anyone to show up consistently. I just... when people turn up, they turn up. Like you, brother. Toro. Hope you're alright, though. Oh, all good, D-son. That's what I'm here for. What about Once We Warriors? Sadly, even though that is true, based off a suburb here in Rotorua, it's not really one of my favourite movies. Nick Talkstein subscribed at tier 2. Didn't you just sub? What the hell? Yo, Mac, you didn't have to, bro. I'm sure I just saw you sub. And Barker, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. I know I did. No worries, be well. Ah, bro. You too, though. Okay, I'm just budding the ends of these, so we don't have to worry about them anymore. What do you do with the craft? Gift it, sell it. Yeah, I don't really hold on to them. Thinking the juicy, but yeah, I've had it for a long time, brother. Long time. Since I was 17, I'm now 29. Been a long time. You ever make any of these for yourself? No, brother. Like the last time I ever made a carving for myself, I was 23. I still have it, but I'm about to give it away. Oh, all good, Balls Water. You have a good one too. Flight of the Concords, tell me I'm wrong. How's the neck today? Yeah, all good. I'm probably going to do a few for free throughout the stream today. Hope I've enjoyed the stream. I have to go to sleep because of school. Have a good day, brother. Hey, Deathbringer, you have a good one too, my bro. Have a good rest for school. There's still one. I was in the Blizzard store last night too. I see they released some exclusive pop vinyls. Do you gift every carving? Nah, not everyone. Just depends how I feel. I'll probably do them all at once. Fuck yeah, Jiggy. I'll just keep hoarding them. Yeah, save them. I'm just gonna do them. Because I didn't do enough yesterday because the bros caught me off guard. Yeah, I remember him saying, oh, we're coming over. I was like, no, Teo. And he seen to me, you know a pet peeve I have? When you DM someone, that's when you get seen. I done that to Mrs. Broxh one time. She seen me, so I removed her. This is back when I was on Facebook. She goes, "Why did you remove me?" "Because you seen me." And another pet peeve I have with DMs is when you get the thumbs up. I hate that, eh? I was like, "Oh, you bloody step on a Lego, mate." Broxh, what's your morning routine like? Wake up, sit on the edge of the bed, look out the window, retie my hair, stand up, scratch my bum, then walk to the bathroom, look in the mirror, turn the water on for no reason, then turn it off, then have a drink of water, then go back to the room and then put clothes on, then look out the window again, see what the time is, see if anyone else is awake in the house, and if there's not, then I'll just sit there for a little bit longer, and then if there are people awake, I'll just get changed, go and sit on the lounge with everyone and talk and all that. Oh, replied with K. Yeah, that's the other one, eh? Use doing thumbs up doesn't matter that much here. Do you have any pets? Nah, not allowed, brother, not allowed. Because we're renting? Yeah, we're not allowed. Our landlord said no pets. I was like, oh well, he's boring. Tiny thumbs up, I like. He's a boomer. Aren't boomers like 80s backwards? What's late 60s holding there, fellas? Wrong AF? This man needs to Google shit more. Yeah, I never really understood that stuff. Because my koro, my grandfather goes, "What's a boomer?" I said, "Oh, I don't know. Is it like those... Does it have anything to do with warheads?" I'm like, how am I supposed to know? I don't even know too. I said, "Oh, I just hear all these little shits around the house saying it to me." He goes, "Oh, I don't know, I asked him then." So I can tell you heaps of stuff about WoW, but I can't tell you what a boomer is. Uzi Lullaby, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated, man. My nan had like 18 siblings, they are boomers. Yeah, it's like my nan as well. She's the youngest of damn, I think it's like 18 kids as well. I don't know, can't remember. Do you play League of Legends? Kinda new to the channel, haven't seen any of your gaming stuff. I haven't even gamed at all, Savage Prisoner. This is all I've been doing. I'm pretty much trying to get internet installed at the house at the moment. So you haven't missed much? Yeah, I play a league, but not as much anymore. Just mainly because of how great the community is. Everyone's faker, you know. gotta win their promos and stuff, and if you give away first blood, it's GG. It's GG, you lost us the game. I'm gonna tell my dad who works for Riot Games to get your account banned. Man, I've seen that excuse so many times. And they're like, who? And then I go, this is like Mark Merrill, your dad. And you go, who's Mark Merrill? And I'm like, come on, man. League is the most toxic game. Yeah, it's pretty up there with the COD community, eh? It's like, if you don't know who Trindamere is, then how does your parents work for Riot Games? He's one of the literal creators. Sam Double Gaming, thank you very much for subbing for 5 months, brother. Hey, much appreciated, my man. I wouldn't say COD is that toxic. COD is meant for trash talk. Oh, true. Will you play Among Us? I didn't even see the fun in that game, eh? It was boring. I'm glad I don't have anything going on. Oh, all good. Poof, come and chill, bro. Come and chill. Hold on, Vanu. Just doing some little cleanups here. Does your back and neck hurt from time to time? Ah, not really. This way either breaky. Just realign yourself again, which is good. Name of the song? I have no idea. I just went Super Smash Bros. Entire playlist. Hey, Dev C. Okay, where's my water? I think it's inside. Posture check, okay, JT. And I hydrate. Okay, I'll just go and get my jug. Hey. Okay, got the water. Oh, no way, kid, you should have seen yesterday. There was a full-time back-to-back here flick. That's what I'm going to be doing some throughout the stream today. Just cause I couldn't do all of them. Wash the chicken. What's this for? Gotta stretch the back. Those kids want piggyback rides. Hard. Hair flexing half high. Yeah, that was funny yesterday, man. Okay, let's do something. Hey, but I missed the half pie news. Oh, how long have we been going for? Almost an hour. I might chuck the half pie news up when you get back. Let me just tie my hair. Yo, Coom Raider, outstanding here. Hope you have a good weekend. Chur the brother Coom Raider. Much appreciated, my brother. The talking that hair flickered turnover, my old boy's dead Harley Davidson. Oh, brother. Yeah, I want to try and get this finished this week so we can move on. Because I'm going to be streaming over the weekend too to make up for the 2 days that I missed. Even though I had things to do, but still I like to owe it to you guys to give you those days back for not going live. That's just how I feel. Hey, true order. Kids can wait. Yeah, go and get the kids. How long does it take you to get home? How's everyone doing this fine lockdown? Hey, Sherwood and Blueberry Salt. Thank you very much, guys, for the subs. Much appreciated, whanau. Just remember, you don't have to, and looking after yourself comes first, always, for next time. You're going to be playing Shadowlands? Most definitely, dude. One of my personal goals I have for Shadowlands, other than gearing and playing PvP this time round, is becoming a above average tank. I got inspired by Towley. I go early to get a park, so it takes a good half an hour. Yeah, all good. No, I can wait till then. It's free for me, so take it. Oh, still, man. Thank you, though. What's a carving commission? It's when people ask for a piece and they pay me and then I do it for them, or you can save up your points and hopefully you get them, and then I'll do one for free. Last day of the Rock 2000, you listening? Not really. Can't play anything these days. Yeah, you can't really play anything willy-nilly. Oh, damn. Molisi. Bloody hell, brother. Oh, 5 subs, my bro. Yeah, you didn't have to do that, my bro. Yo, Molisi, thank you very much for the 5 gifted subs, my bro. They went to the Weave, Crystal Red, Punks, Duke of Nations, Zays, and Yazid. Thank you, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Can we get some thank yous up in the chat too, please? Okay. We'll do these ones. Oh, we'll do these ones, eh? Thank you, brother Molisi. You didn't have to, my bro. And No Guard gifted a sub to Night Gecko 7. Thank you very much, good sir. You didn't have to either. Just look after yourselves. That's what matters the most. So thank you, whanau. Here's for you, brother. Yo, thank you, No Guard. Stream Elements with the 6-month sub badge. Bloody hell. Oh, Fans is here too. Oh, he must be listening. Yo, DJ Moose Games, 2 months, my guy. Yay, thank you, my brother. Much appreciated, my man. You did not have to though, my brother, but I really do appreciate it. Oh man, you deserve it, bro. Oh, thank you, brother. It's that time of year, 7 stars appear. Wonder if it's safe to play KDA. Probably not, eh? Get bitten in the ass from the MCA. That mine is gone. Is there a meaning behind every carving? Yeah, not so much for our ancestor, but what these particular carvings that I'm doing now we use for are known as Poupou, which are like the portraits of our ancestors, which you'll only ever find in our meeting houses, which are ancestral meeting houses. So basically the whole entire meeting house is named after one particular ancestor, and you'll mainly find these particular carvings, a Poupou, a 2-dimensional wall panel, within those meeting houses, and they're usually the ancestors that branch off the main ancestor's genealogy. Now with this particular piece, it is not named after any ancestor whatsoever, mainly because this will either be given away or sold. Now, it's a really big no-no to sell a carving of your ancestor just to make a profit for yourself. People have done it, and then they regret it as soon as we tell them. Riot Games lets people play their content on streams. Yeah, I know about the login screens. I'm just not sure about like the actual lyrical music that they have. Because I mean, that Takeover song is good, eh? I like that song. I'm all about that Brom login screen. So in terms of these carvings as well, to the person that asked, there are many different ways to depict a particular ancestor. So if it was a warrior, you've obviously carved him with his favourite weapon. And then say if it was one of your ancestors that may have done something big within their life, you'd portray it through the carving. Chur Buki, true brother. So I'm just doing the pakati within these two lines here. Oh, look, these three. So the main thing you want to do, or what I need to do, is make sure all sides are even and straight, which has been displayed in the rest of this piece, so it looks okay. Hola Papa, hello. So I'm just looking over it now, just seeing if it's all even. Hey, hello Mega. What's left to be done? Pretty much this section here, my bro, and then I'll probably look over the entire thing for a thorough clean. But other than that, I want to do something with the big empty space underneath the eyes and the nose. But we'll see how I feel once I finish this leg off, whether it be today or tomorrow. Either way, I want it done this week so we can move on. Oh, get out of here, Ed. I don't have a command for hobbies. Best way to, if you want to know, is just to ask. Yo, Snap PD King, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. And we have a posture check. Greetings from NA. Yo, what's up, Not So Fergan? From DJ Mooks. I'm gonna have a drink of water too. Kia ora whanau, I hope you all do well. Chur, brother Snuff. Posture check. Yeah, I've been doing some through the stream too, Snuff, just to make up for it. Just some free ones. Save your points. Oh, okay. Hello to Crazy Mango and Austin. Hello. So let's carry on doing these. These ones are almost done. Someone just sneezed. Bless them. How do you make your hair so soft looking? Wash it, basically. Hey man, love your stuff. Thank you. Cheers, brother. Any special products? Water, obviously. I use Dove sometimes. I just use shampoo that's not animal tested, eh? Mainly because I love animals, and animal testing is not really a good thing in my eyes. And yeah, really love animals and nature, but yeah, I just try and look for products that aren't animal tested, really. And I use dry conditioner too. And yeah, that's about it. Yo, Chur Royal. Kia ora, bro. Hey, Dr. Doc Twitch. Hey, man. Yeah, I'm all good, brother. My day is going very steady too, my bro. Nice and slow, just the way I like it. Yeah, other than that, brother, yeah, all is well. Hope you are too. So I might go and look at buying a stain either after stream or maybe tomorrow. I like to try and do most of my stuff throughout the day in the morning. This is how I like to roll. Looks mean now, bro. Cheers, Royal. Thank you, brother. Hey, Gurga. Welcome to the stream, brother. I downloaded that editing program that one of the bros suggested I have a go at using just for fun. Have you had any... Oh, heaps, man. I don't make mistakes, but I make adjustments. In the words of Bob Ross, happy little accidents, brother. To our main man, painting up there, or wherever he may be. Imagine him actually painting the clouds there. You get a happy cloud, and you get a happy cloud as well. But you know what's even better than one happy cloud? A lot of happy clouds, so they're not alone by themselves. And then we're going to take a little bit of crimson, and then we're just going to do light taps all along the canvas for that nice sunset. Imagine, that's him right now. Or he's just like in Earth's orbit and he's like painting. Jay plays some games. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. You did not have to, but much appreciated, brother. Videos, Bob. I can't remember what it's called, but Donnie suggested it. I just want to give it a go for fun. I'm going to call it Half Pie Edits too, but not Half Pie. Accident has like injuries. Oh no, I thought you meant like on the timber. Have you seen the Bob Ross Twitch channel? I watch it every weekend. Every weekend. I usually host it throughout the weekends too when I'm not on. Bob Broxh. Yeah, no man, I watch the Bob Ross Twitch channel every weekend. Shigoki, cheer bro. How are you, brother? How are you? There we go. Hold on, Whānau, just doing this so we can move on. Hey Semi, I'm well, how are you? Yeah, I'm all good, brother, all good. It's familiar, but I can't figure it out. Vrots, it's from League of Legends. It's Brom's login theme song. This is like my pre-workout gym song. I used to blast it in the car. He's one of my probably my favourite support. Him and Pike. Mainly like Pike because he does the hake, or well, their own version along with Rengar as well. Bronze, oh dear. Because me and a few friends were online watching Bob Ross and chatting about the painting. Wild weekend. That sounds like a good weekend. Please tell me you had some beer next to you. Rewa woods these days. Von Buki. The only thing you have to wait for is until the tree falls down naturally, because we don't cut down our native trees. Yeah, if they fall down naturally, then you can mill them. Or other than that, look for like wood recycling centres or the rare wood suppliers, those people that collect timber, but also carve themselves, which is always good. It's always a good thing to keep in mind. Alright, Brenton. What a clown. Mariah, thank you very much for the sub, man. Much appreciated. You did not have to. Don't forget, Brenton Kills, you cannot redeem a sub just by clicking on anyone's name, because that's not how Twitches work. I've been watching Twitch for a long time, and I've come across little ball bags like yourself. Still had plenty of fun. Nice. Love what you do, Broxh. Yo, hey, that's a rain emote. Auxentius. Chur, bro. Yeah, just calling out some dude that said, right, exclamation point claim for your free sub. I mean, come on, man. I've been watching long enough to know you can't do that. The Riddick and Bailey. Thank you very much, guys, for the subs. Yeah, so I thought since he got timed out and he can't message back, I'd call him a little ball bag. Eat it, mate. Hey, bleed boop. Yeah, Orcs, thanks for the sub, man. You didn't have to, though. Straight up. Shout out to Desmond Fisto as well for getting partner and also getting his own item in Shadowlands. Pan reason, ball bag. Gotta support fellow Kiwis, my bro. Yeah, much appreciated, my brother. You didn't have to, though, just know that. If he writes in an appeal order and you see his name, you wrote that. So, cause you're a ball bag. You crusty scrotum, you. Love from Norway. Hey, Royce. Hello to Nergia. Legendary Falcon. Hello. How is it going all? Hey, brother Falcon. Yeah, all good. Falcon Punch. Had to use my Prime on you, bro. Oh, babe. I know it's free, but I always say it. You didn't have to. Look after yourself. But much appreciated, brother. All judgments are final. Ooh, this guy putting his foot down. Just don't piss off Otter. He'll sick his Vaporeon onto you. Wet your socks and you'll be over. Saw a video on your IG and I want to say you seem like a great person. Also, your woodwork looks amazing. Greetings from Czech Republic. Hey, brother. Yo, damn, 2:41 AM, brother. Thank you, my brother. Just remember, yeah, remember to have a good rest too, brother. Yeah, some Brazilians come in and ask me, can you say this in our language? And I'm like, I can't even say that. I don't know pronunciation and it. some Broxy. Not sure what I missed, but I'm okay with it. No, I was just calling their guy some names because he can't reply. Oh. What are you working on? Just the piece just below the camera. I was going to say something funny, but I thought better not. I'm friendly here. You can see Otter now, eh? Otter being all friendly, like, yeah, no, you're all good, and then he's locked and loaded behind his back. Are you someone? No, brother, you're thinking about just for kicks. Strongman. I actually like Strongman too. Martin Lisa's is my favourite. And Eddie Hall, but then he retired after he won World's Strongest Man. Hold on, find it. And I keep forgetting his name. Yeah, I like Martin. Martin, he's the man. I always follow his training videos on Instagram. Brian Shaw's my favourite. Yeah, 5-time World's Strongest Man, eh? Isn't that the guy who done 700? Nah, 500, bro. Yeah, 500 kg deadlift, and then Thor did 501. And hey brother, definitely glad to be able to come here and distress from the selection. Yeah, stressful week. Colonial Spew, yeah, all good brother. You more than welcome to chill here, brother. Much appreciated for the sub as well. You did not have to, but yeah, brother. To any of my whanau, the viewers, because I call you whanau, that are watching from America, just chill here if it helps. Because I know it looks stressful from what's on the news, but I bet it's different compared to being there. Just had an appeal. Hey, what did it say? Rubber Mole, good evening brother. Yo, thank you for the 2 months in a row, my brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Yeah, but yeah, Martin Lisa's is definitely a favourite of mine. He's a really cool strong man to follow. Oh, the forearm of the man. Oh, I'll have a look after stream, Otter. Since I looked interested in carving in my mine bears insane. May I post the IMG link? Von Buki? I probably won't be able to see it, but if you're part of the Discord, brother, chuck it in there. Bay, I just do hair flicks, brother. It gets everyone rolling, so I just do them for fun. But I'm probably going to do some more soon. Hold on, whanau. Yeah, and Martin's not competing this year, eh? Or is the world's strongest man already gone? Because he had an accident. I think that's what I saw. Yeah, see, bro, that's why I really enjoy watching Martin, for the way he is, and then seeing him win just made you happy, eh? Just even like glad that he won it, because man, he deserved it that day. He's just a really cool dude. I know he streams on Twitch with someone, but I haven't found him yet, and I don't know how often he's on. Yeah, definitely a fan of Martin here, everyone, and Eddie Hall as well. He's always been a favourite of mine. You're not the world's strongest guy. Man, I'm nowhere near as strong as those guys. It looks just about done. Yeah, just gotta do this section here, brother. And I'm still trying to weigh up whether I should do the section under the eyes. Here again. Bam 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 bam. Go. I know you stain these carvings when they're done. Do they ever get painted? Yep. I haven't really painted one like ever, but that's something I want to do. It's just a bit harder because like you use house paints for these kind of carvings and they are not cheap. And I'm gonna need Pioneer red and white for the undercoat, and I'll just get a normal black paint for all the designs. There we go. Damn it. Hold on, whanau. Yeah, so when Maya gets back, we'll have our news report. Don't post links, man. They get insta deleted. With a lathe? Not really, man. Yeah. Okay, now we've got these ones to do. My egg box. Sakes. How we do it every day. We're taking over. We're taking over. Hey. They're real. Do people get timed out for posting links? I just wanted to delete the link, not time them out. Today's his birthday. No. Oh, the section here. Yeah, you got the mouth, the eye, the head, arm, and hand. Oh, all good, Max. So if you want to chuck it in my email, that's fine as well. Sorry, brother. I'm heading out for today. Peace out, brother. Cheer, Lemon Sniper. You have a good one too, brother. Any processes you go through when beginning a new design? Drawing it on. That's about it. Yeah. Just draw it on. Want to hear the appeal? Nah. I'll just read it. I usually check if there's any appeals after every stream, but I thought it was for that one dude who said the claim dude. I thought it was him. Someone wish you a birthday. Yeah, I saw that. I told him it wasn't my birthday. If mahi is work and mahi mahi is a fish, yeah, mahi mahi is not part of our culture. Yeah, I know what the fish is. Like American. Nah, I'll never go on any talent show. I don't. I don't get into that. Who got you started in carving? My uncle. My uncle was the one that introduced me to our people's wood carving art form, and basically carried it on after school. Pretty much, bro. This is just what I love to do. Man, what's up with that thing? I think someone that Copan just mass DMing me. I'll read it after stream. So run it. So I'm just check cutting these before we start them. Hey, cheer my bro. Cheer for the raid, my bro. Hope you had a good stream. Did you finish one of your All Might scuffs, my bro? Greetings from Denmark. I hope you're having a really nice day. Thank you, that Bear Trails. Too, brother. Yeah, my day's all good. You should make Keanu Reeves carving for Cyberpunk. You would have years to finish it. I don't know. Yo, tickets Tom. Thank you very much for the 3 months, brother. On a 3-month streak as well. Much appreciated there. Tommy, cheer my bro. You didn't have to though. Yeah, bro, all done. Yeah, me, my bro. Oren, thank you very much for the 5 months in a row as well, brother. Much appreciated. And No Chaser Stacer, thank you very much for the 7 months in a row, brother. Holy damn. Much appreciated, guys. The Legendary Falcon. Have a good one, my brother. Okay, yep. Chicka, chicka, chicka. Chur from Whangari. Chur, bro. Man, I looked over Drax Project's VOD when the raid went through and they sang Encarnacio. Did you try all of them? Nah, my bro, nah. I don't want to be that guy and open them all at once and then try and speed eat them before they all get stale. Supportimus making up for the little one he has with a comment. Oh, it's alright, bro. We get it. You love wreath blowers with questionable tips, so you share a photo of that one. That's alright, chat. That's what you call small dick power. No need to mention it. Oh, I like roasting to me. Just, yeah, you're only posting that because you got a little one. Hold on for it. Check cutting. That was cooked by the mods. Yeah. Bro, that was a pretty mean raid from me and Thunder yesterday, my bro. You just got me pretty hard. I was like, fuck, I don't know what to say. I'll just pull this voice out. Sorry, chat. I need a bit of space for this. Okay, I'll just turn it over. There we go. Did those dudes tell you when the brushes were gonna be back in, bro? Cause I'll go in when they restocked. Yeah, JT, I haven't even like opened them all. Gotta make them last. Gotta make them last, my bro. Look at it. Possible month, bro. Oh, all good. Yeah, I'll go and check them maybe next month. Yeah, I'll go and check them around the same time for you, my bro. Then I'll send them up. All good. Did you see my Insta story this morning, bro? I need to go and have a look. There is a auntie walking past in her pajamas. I don't think her personal room should be as big as the city. Hold on. Hold on, just watch it. Good morning. What a cracker. Oh yeah. I'm interested in going to some of those formal places. Yeah, well, that's yuck though. If anyone I know wears pajamas out in public, oh, get your ass home now. Think you could ever get into Pounamu? Oh, I have, but this is where my heart's at. It's not really in Pounamu carving. I've tried it. Hold on, whanau. it's Friday today. I can't post music on Insta stories for some reason, so I did that. True, that's random. Good morning. I was listening to Lab at Work, but it wasn't the same without some mallet smacks and bird noises. Cheer, JT. Yeah, I really want to play them on stream, but it's a bit scary, eh? Like, I know I have permission from the band itself, and their manager, and their label, but at the same time, I'm still, like, a bit, I would say, scared to play it. Because I feel like these guys will try at anything to try and get you. And now that they're bringing out their live algorithm thing that can like ban you on the spot live if you play like songs, it gets kind of scary. It gets really scary. That's probably why you haven't heard any Lab lately, because it's out of theory. But what is the command to get Brox's bio? Exclamation point Broxh, or you can just like scroll down. Might have to ask someone to make me an Uncle Iro jam for when I'm carving. Because I really miss playing reggae as well, because that's the main genre that I play when I'm carving, like always. That's why I got lucky with Lab. But now with all this new crap coming out, it's becoming a bit of a put-off. Like a really big put-off. Probably as big of a put-off as people wearing pyjamas in public. Cheer, Killer. Much love, Sorkov. Cheer, bro. Okay. Okay. Boom. Next one. Oh yeah, you stubborn bugger. So we gotta wait for Maya to get back, then we'll do the news. Because they promised. Hey Fanta. It was like the Wild West. Yeah, it sucks, man. It really sucks, but there's nothing we can do about it in terms of music. Yeah, definitely nothing we can do when it comes to that. How long does it take to make a piece? I don't know, depends, eh? Like, it all depends how much time you put into the piece, I would say. Like, timeline's never the same. Thank you, Brea. Was it Raya? Thank you. So I just got confirmation from Red Bull that I can use their music. So I'm going to check it out tonight. Make myself a playlist. And yeah, use that. And then we'll go from there. I was hoping that Red Bull would have had 64 bars by Lissy. But unfortunately it didn't. The hell is that? Like a dump truck. Another busy day, but a 3-day weekend coming up. Oh, nice, Fanta. More Conan on the way. More Conan on the way. So yep, we got to do these, and then this line here. So it's all about doing the same thing, evening up the sides, making sure the back wall is straight, and then we'll clean it up, and then it's done. Pride Lands, my setup doesn't use a PC at all. Yeah, like no PC whatsoever. My setup's a bag. Working on potty training, never been happier wiping someone else's bottom. Yeah, that's what I've been doing. I'm just training up my daughter. Because my auntie, she owns like a kohanga, which is kind of like a preschool. And but they only accept kids at 3. But she said just train her up on the toilet and she can join in straight away. Can you speak? No, I don't know what you're saying. I can only speak English and Maori. I will not attempt another language, just in case I say something wrong. Wait, I thought he spoke Orc. Yeah, this guy. He does tokiki. I have no idea what you're on about, bro. Oh, welcome back in Samurai. Cheer, my bro. Welcome, welcome, welcome. For my maths homework. Nice, bro. Just make sure you get it done, eh? That's the main thing. Smash it up, bro. So we're just prepping our pakati for now. Oh, a Japanese style? No. I don't really plan on going outside of my culture that much, bro. This isn't just a normal carving style, it's been part of my culture for many, many generations. I don't know if I'll go outside of it that much. I don't plan on it, I should say. There are going to be occasions where I will, but their carvings are really difficult to do, and they're really intricate as well. Oh, no need to say sorry. And yeah, I don't want to disrespect anyone. Hey, tua. Yeah, kei te pai, brother. Just trying to finish this off so we can start something new. You should give teaching lessons. I've been approached by a school to do it. I won't give lessons on here. I'm just showing people what I do. I'm not gonna do that. Okay guys, get your block of wood. We'll cut this first. And then wait a few minutes and then okay, we're gonna draw this. It's more just showing what I love to do and what my ancestors fought hard to pass down. Ia toi ana, tēnei wāhanga noi ho mai bro. Ko mutu. Avandale, thank you very much for the sub, man. Much appreciated. How are you able to make those perfectly round shapes without any mistakes? Is there a tool? Yeah, just take your time. That's the secret. That's all it comes down to, really. There's no secret tool, you just use a tool that every other carver uses, which is a V chisel. Then after that, I mean, I can do these fast, but I prefer to take my time because it's better. What graphics card does your PC have? Square one. I don't know, bro. I'm not PC savvy. I don't know much about it. I just know it's square and it's got lights on it. So I don't know if I can't help you in that kind of realm, bro. That's why my setup isn't a PC setup down the bottom of the stream. Because I don't know what's in it. Be used in block printing. You can probably try. Yeah, don't ask me about PC setups because I'll give you my honest answer. It's a square one. This is just for fun, my bro. Yeah, koe rā noi ho. Engari kei te pira ni tētai tangata i tēnei Poupou. The only thing I can tell you about this PC is that it plays well, really good, and that's what matters to me. Hey, Duke's well, Chur, brother. In a box, hey, that's how I like to say it, Snuff. So my setup has these cords that go into a plug, and you turn it on, and the whole thing turns on. That's the most Broxh answer I can give you, bro. I'm not a PC person, bro. Oh, I have the same setup. I only just found out that ducky keyboards don't have that random ass number pad on the end of normal keyboards. What else have I found out about mouses? They got heaps of little ass buttons on the side that I probably wouldn't use myself because I got big hands. I mean, if you try and push one button, you probably push 6. What else have I found out about PCs? Some of them like using coolant. I was like, but what happens when they run out of that coolant and you got to buy some more? Where do you get it from? Because I wouldn't have a clue where to get it myself. What else have I found out? curved screens are still quite a thick screen. What else have I found out? There are actually mouse pads that are as big as a table. Chur. I bought a ducky keyboard and got disappointed when it didn't come with its own ducky. Bogan plays. Oh, that's just the most accurate answer I can give you. Thousands of dollars on. The PC universe is blast. Yeah, when I seen like PCs with like coolant, I was like, well, what happens if it spills and it wets everything? That means no more WoW. And you got like, is it those graphics cards that sit on the side? They like sit on the side like that, like here's the wall, and it's like, it's almost as big as a slice of bread. Yeah. Do you still play well? I most definitely do, brother. No, that's just my honest answer. It's square, it's black, it's got an Omen logo on it. And I found out it's a pre-built when I got it. So there's the ones that are built before where you can do it yourself. I'd rather not fart ass around with building my own. Prime Video streaming, what's that one? Play Warzone? Nah, I'm not into COD, brother. For the Horde, oh man. Hold on, find it. Hey, Billy Williams, thank you very much for these 6 months, man. God damn, that's a long time. King of good vibes. Hey, much appreciated, brother. I did my research. But what happens if you use Gatorade and Powerade? Does it mean it'll get the isotonic electrolytes that your PC needs to run faster and thus have more electricity running through the case? That's as big brain as it gets for me, really. Yeah, I mean, I'd love to give building a PC a crack. I'd probably stream it. Probably disappoint a few people. Because I don't know shit about them. Maybe in the future. I don't really need to buy another PC because mine plays well just fine. How do you say Broxh? Just like that. It's just like Lego. I don't even play with Lego either as a kid. You know, it'd be cool if people actually put solar panels on their PC case and left it by the window. Catch you a big power bill. I seen one PC on TikTok. I don't know who it was. This was a while ago, but it had like the fan. Oh, come on! I was mid-talk, Billy. Yo, Billy Billions. Yo, thank you, Billy, for the 10 gifted subs, my bro. Oh, damn. Much appreciated, brother. Car Pro, Wilskis, Peeve Nuts, Andy Fogg, Lurkster, The Cross, Premium, Deloff 2, Hydro Cannon, and Land Owned. Thank you very much, Billy Williams. Those were the ones that received those gifted subs. Much appreciated, brother. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You did not have to, though. Remember, you look after yourself too. That's more important. But thank you, man. Much appreciated. And Just Respawn, thank you very much for subbing as well. Much appreciated, man. And Not Chewy as well. Much appreciated as well, Not Chewy. Not Chewy. I'm guessing that's the Chewy you're going with, eh? Or was it just like chewing? I feel like I might be right, but then again I could be wrong. How do you keep up that beautiful hair? Do you use any products, or are you just blessed with great hair? No, I wash it consistently. I don't wash it every day. I usually do like wash it one day, don't wash it the next, kind of like that. Because if you wash it too much, you lose all the natural oils in your hair. I never knew about bad and moods. I never knew about scabbing food. Cha-cha, eh, cha-cha, eh. Can't get the chandelier, gotta get the ooh-la-la. Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta, cha-cha, eh. Anyone heard that new HP Boys song? Gotta get the chandelier, gotta get the ooh-la-la. Ooh-la-la. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Okay, that's set up. Now we cut the other side.
The thrill of a doctor is that it exists.
So that took longer than expected. Oh, Chur, Maya's here. We better start soon, eh? So I'll just do this and then we'll do the news. Yeah, that cracked me up. Yeah, it was random, eh? Get the chandelier. Gotta get the ooh-la-la. I'm on the ooh-la-la. Found it. I can't see the phone or the chat, so I'm just gonna quickly check out these quickly. There we go. I feel like I'm at medieval fair. And my man's playing Grizzly Hills. Yeah, bro. You got the new Murloc yet, brother? The one that spawned, that they put in Grizzly Hills? Hold on, find out. Now then, the Guardian Druid mains in here. I have a question for you. Chur, Maya's back. We'll start the news soon. I'm just gonna cut this line out. Oh, posture check. Okay, I'll do it after this. And I'll hydrate. Oh yeah, and then we'll do the news. So if you're new to the stream, get some questions ready. Can be about anything. Nothing too silly. The half pie news is about to start. After I do my posture check and my hydrate after these particular pakiti that I am doing. What do I find out? Yep, so I'll just cut all of these out. Have them prepped. So what I'm going to be leveling in the Discord tonight, whanau, is just a monk, Panda monk. Just going to be jamming the new starting level area. Exile's Reach, nothing too fancy. But I just want to see how it goes. Do they usually express any emotion? Good question. Not really, brother. Yeah. Good question. Okay. Here we go. Those look nice and cut up, so we will do that posture check. And we will get the news rolling. Let me just drink some water. Okay. Let's get ready. Get your questions ready, whanau. Half Pie News is about to start. Get ready, whanau. Half Pie News is about to start. Oh, sorry. Not Formula One, shit. Okay, here we go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Half Pie News. Half pie here, half pie there, half pie everywhere, and Donny sometimes over there. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the news on the special segment that we have on the stream where we cover some local news, some international news, and sometimes some other news as well, but that doesn't really matter. But yeah, welcome to the Half Pie News. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know what we have to report because we don't really research the stories of today. We just think about it and then we react. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Half Pie News. Now ladies and gentlemen, for our first story today, we will be talking about those damn bloody multi-boxes that didn't quite get the dub this week on World of Warcraft. So they've come up with later software. If you multi-box in the game, your ass is banned. Now ladies and gentlemen, what we usually do is go to the chat to see if we have any questions. Okay, we need to have a suit jacket to wear during the Pioneers War. JT Pamby, with summer coming up, if I wear a jacket, I will get very sweaty. So I believe we should stick to the singlet and the tie for now. But ladies and gentlemen, in other news, now we all know the election is going on. A lot of people in high alert. Very scary times over there. Now, the only answer I have for this particular moment is that two old dinosaurs, T-Rexes to be precise, it's like watching two T-Rexes try and have a fist fight. That's what it's like watching Trump and Biden. So other than that, other news today, it's quite windy as well. We won't have the weather news just yet because it's hard to quite top the weather report from yesterday when we had the primordial man himself do our weather report. So we will go to the chat once again to see if they have any questions. So chat, it is up to you now. Do you have any questions? Yeah, I'll protect you. Oh, okay. What's the big tree get up to yesterday? All the big tree does really, Donny, is squeak and drag along the shed. Other than that, I can't really give you anything else. Now, another news, ladies and gentlemen. Our Prime Minister is also addressing her plan for the next few years while she's in the beehive. I was going to say something else, but I forgot that our government building is a beehive. That's all we have to report. And other than that, ladies and gentlemen, if you do wear pyjamas in public, that's ugly. Is that popcorn machine behind you? Well, Dog Nash, that is actually a Red Bull fridge. Yeah, that's it. Red Bull fridge. Favourite drink to pair with a pie? Now we have our first good question from the chat. My favourite drink to pair with a pie would have to be the purple passion fruit can. Other than that, if you like cream soda, yuck. Okay, we have the little one coming in to see if she has anything to say. Other than that, she gave me a chip that is nice and cold. Now we will tell her to move on. No being in camera. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as I hold this cold ass chip, I'll probably eat it anyway. But for the weather report, presenting to you now that it is, she took the chip off me just now, but other than that, the weather report is that it's overcast with cold winds and there's no sun in sight. So other than that, do we have any more questions? What's your favourite class? Well, it's obviously Warrior. That's as hard as you can get, along with Shaman as well, and Guardian Druid, and Brewmaster. What's the secret project? It's a secret. So ladies and gentlemen, that is all we have for Half Pie News. Other than that, stay safe in America. Let's not stop watching two old T-Rexes trying to have a fist fight. And that's it from Half Pie News. Half pie here, half pie there, half pie everywhere. And for our good sorts today, we have none other than the man himself from yesterday. Just for kicks. The bro that turned up, I actually didn't think he was going to turn up yesterday, but can we get a shout out for Just for Kicks? Yeah, turned up with a supply of Coles cookies, all 4 different types, just like choosing your favourite Pokemon with an extra on the end as well. So shout out to Just for Kicks and taking our news report yesterday. So shout out to the bro and much love to you and Thunder as well for tuning up. And yeah, that's our good sorts as well. Kia ora, half pie here, half pie there, half pie everywhere, and sometimes Donnie over there. Kia ora. Chur. Boy, I was gonna eat that chip too. Yep. Yeah, she got 2 good sorts in 1 week. You alright? What are you looking at me like that for? What does kia ora mean? It means hello, but it can also mean thank you, depending on the situation as well. Video Viper, oh man, no. Drinking ass water is not healthy. To anyone that bought Bella Delphine's bathwater, there's something wrong with you. If you take a kick out of drinking bum water, mate, you need help. Locks of hair for strength. I would never cut my hair for no one, but what's up, Broxh? Love from Trinidad. Hey, Chur Leo. Much love, brother. You alright? Hey, Grunty. Hey, man. Let's try and get a bit of this done, eh? Hello Tabio and Serenity Poupou. I usually take my anime recommendations from Jiggy. Okay, I need you to go inside. You're not jumping on the camera because of the weird men out there and ladies probably that are love to power bomb on the girl. Okay, back inside. Now go and hide our rocky road ice creams away. Hold on, chat. It is time to prime up. And feel the power. Woo! Oh, Video Viper, yeah, I learnt it the hard way, eh? Some random dude under the YouTube name of Daily Dose of Broxh posted a video of my daughter without my permission, and I was fuming. Your Cookie Kit, thank you very much for the sub, Cookie Kit. Whanau, it's just Red Bull, I don't drink. Yeah. And they're basically using my content in my face with a donation link to them, which is a bit out the gate. Really out the gate. Someone give that man a hiding. That's why yeah, I don't show my daughter anymore. She used to just come in and say hello and go about her day. Oh, come on, QC. Fuck yeah, Thunder. Yo, thank you, Ranti, for the gifted sub, man. You did not have to. I think that's probably going to be my next emote I'm going to ask you for, Thunder, when you're all freed up, if you ever are. Just a touring, drinking a Red Bull and popping wings. That's like an ability paladins use, using wings, and it doubles their damage. Hey, Chur, improv, Chur, brother. Pop a Red Bull and well. Yeah, I have a Tauren Pally, but I haven't really been leveling him when I really should, because we're what, like 17 days away now? If I'm right. Oh, there's the next skinny front page. Yeah, it's November art month. Okay, I might have to turn this guy around so I can be on the outside. So I find it just going to readjust again. Wind. Hey, Dragon Bingle, cheer, bro. Maybe, thank you very much for the sub. Because how am I? Yeah, I'm all good. Sweet as my bro. Okay, I'm just gonna do these. Yeah, so I gotta work from this angle now, just to get a good angle for cutting them. $10 Bud Light. Thank you very much, Mr. Bud Light, for the sub, my bro. On average, how long does it take for a chunk of wood to be finished? I can't really give you an average estimate because no time limit's the same. It all depends on how much time you put into it. If I did this off stream without talking to anyone, just under 2 weeks or over. That's how fast it can be. Sometimes it can be slower. But it gets boring carving by yourself, eh, when you got no mates to talk to. Well, no one to talk to, really. No piece's time limit or time frame is the same, like. Yo, catch a glimpse. Thank you very much for the biddies, man. Much love, man. Now, why isn't this? Oh, that should be alright. Yeah, it's not hard to carve fast, but I like to take my time. Enjoy it, eh? That's what it's about. And I think I need to go to the toilet. Do you dig and dance your native songs? What do you mean? I don't understand what you mean. Hey, Chur, Poupou. Do you sing and dance? I mean, yeah. Always chill vibe here, thanks to the egg slayers. Chur, Margin. Are you a teacher, Imagine? Sorry, my bro, I've kind of forgotten. I do translation work. Oh, Chur. Oh, my bad, Bob. Bro, that's pretty mean. I feel like watching Last Samurai. Pog, what happened? Oh, come on, catch a glimpse. Oh, King No Ears. Thank you once again, brother. Catch a glimpse for the 5 gifted subs, brother. They went to Mega Bomb, MJ's Urban, Cheesy Double Beef, okay, Industries, and Loxo Joe. Much appreciated, my bro. You did not have to, but thank you, man. These egg slayers deserve a steak dinner for keeping us wholesome. Damn it, Lily, I don't want 5 gum. Man, yeah, I've been hit by the Lily Pichu ad, eh? I'm just glad it's not the one I'm in anymore. I had no idea that was gonna happen, eh? I was like, wait. Why am I an ad? That's funny though. Damn it, Lily, I don't want 5 gum. Hi bro, I don't speak English. Oh, okay. Are you still on tonight, Thunder? Whoever up those ways never listen. Because because you were saying you thought you were on today, eh? But you ended up being last night. Yeah, my one's not till the 29th. So I'll probably be a father of 2 by then. Comatose. Thank you very much for the 3 months and the third 3-month streak, my brother. Hey, much appreciated, my bro. So I might not, eh? Ah, fair enough. Oh yeah, so due at the end of the month we hit 37 weeks, which is pretty much full term tomorrow. But it's basically from here on out, it's up to baby when she wants to make her grand entrance. And I hope I get to choose one of her middle names that I've chosen. That's kind of growing on Mrs. Broxh. So the first 3 names have been already chosen. I went to my grandfather for it. That's something we do, is if we can't figure it out, a name from like past family members that have lived for like a long time ago. And yeah, they pretty much, my grandfather, who's like 97, gave me the name of one of my great grandmothers. Yo, happy birthday, bro. How many names are you planning? I'm not gonna say, but yeah. I'll share one of her middle names on the day, just the name though. Her middle name gonna be War Chief. Fuck's sake. My missus will wring my neck if I ask for that. Definitely Kobe Bryant, eh? He's the one that got me into basketball. Him and MJ. Around that time. Your middle name, you don't have to. It's gonna be Maya Brave Strong. All good, Charlie. You have a good one, my brother. Thank you for dropping in. Oh man, why is my alert not coming up? Hold on, whanau. My daughter's calling out too. You know, if we have another, gonna be War Chief. No, just no. Yeah, how come the dono hasn't showed up for me? Like even my notification hasn't popped up yet. Ko i tuku I te do you know? Since I can't see the name. Did someone say Donny? Oh. Yo, Paulie Dangerous, thank you for the 3 months, my bro. Much appreciated, brother. Do the mods know who dropped that? I still can't see it. Like, it still hasn't come up for me. So I've almost finished this row. But much appreciated for the dono. I can't see the notification just yet. But thank you. I need the name, eh? I feel rude. Yo, thank you, Lewis Glazer. Yeah, you be safe too. Thank you, my bro. Yeah, welcome, Gorilla. Nah, it disappeared. Ah, damn it. Okay, what's our timestamp? 2:30. Party. I don't do sites, man. Best thing you can do is talk to me, but my commission list is full. Sorry I've missed your name and the notification hasn't come up, whoever it was, but much appreciated, man. Fuck, I feel rude. Because I knew it was... Oh, there it is there. Wow. Thank you very much for the $3, my bro. Sorry, man, I really need to get on top of making a chat bot for the donos. But I really appreciate it, brother. Thank you very much. Do you ship your work? I mean, yeah, I'm gonna have to if people ask for it overseas. Ah, come on, catch a glimpse. Thank you for gifting 2 subs, brother. Those went to Ivan Jix and Nikos. Thank you, my bro. You honestly don't have to. Didn't have to. Same. Tomato. Much appreciated, brother. Ugh. I feel like this voice isn't even that secure. I fear you, bro. Bye, Camion. You're the least rude person on the planet. What's Camion? Sounds like Cameo. Time you going to stream in Discord? Oh, it's probably going to be late, eh? Because my whorehas don't go to sleep around 10 till 10 o'clock. Chur, JT, you have a good one, brother. I'll be on through the weekend. Peaches, thank you very much for the 5 months. Much appreciated, man. Peaches, that reminds me of Ice Age. We are yeah, so we're gonna throw up a weekend one just to make up for missing those 2 days. I feel rude sometimes, or most of the time when I don't. Just yeah, just because seems fairy. If you miss 2 days, you make up for it because people really enjoy watching. Well, that's just my whole whakairo thoughts around it. Gotta make sure you take care of yourself, brother. We all understand. Yeah, sturdy, brother. Yeah, all's good. I had to go to expecting parent classes. We were supposed to go to it with our first child, but this time around we decided we'd go. and it was really cool. I'm getting no school. Okay, dude, my bad. Oh, Panda be going back home today too. Wonder if you'll still stream though. Probably not. What kai you got for tea? Oh, we don't really find out till 6 o'clock. Me and my missus usually argue about what we're going to have for dinner first. Story of my damn life. When baby arrives, you'll have your hands full too, bro. Yeah, definitely. It's lucky I don't really sleep much. Oh, I do, but I only need like 2 hours and I feel energized enough. Because I remember the first time my daughter, when we came home from being at the hospital, I couldn't sleep. I was always checking to see if she was breathing. Like baby's this close and there's my ear there. Just first time parent things. But yeah, definitely prepared this time around. Hey Rubber Dub, have a good sleep my bro. Poor Marty. I'll be catching baby this time too. Our midwife goes, yeah, you know, because your hands will be the first hands that your daughter ever touches for the first time in her life. And I was like, I like that. I'll take that. King and Haku, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Would you want to teach your kids how to do this? Yeah, if they want, if they're interested, I won't force it on them. Traditionally with children, Maori children in particular, it was only the boys that carved, mainly because this being a sacred art form, because we only carve the dead. And with our wahine, or our women, they are the complete opposite to what carving represents, because they bring life into the world. And yeah, that's a factor that will play in for me. But I mean, if they're interested in it, there are women carvers. We live in a modern time now where I'm open to it. If they want to, if they show interest in it, I'll say yep. Let this old bull show you the ways of the Jedi. Did you get baby's outfit sorted? Nah. Didn't just remind me. Kmart hero come tonight. Maybe even after stream. Okay. Few little wood tags in here to clean, but other than that, looking good. Just looking around. Yeah, I haven't sorted out the onesie yet. But I mean, my brother-in-law's girlfriend, her grandmother knitted our first baby some clothes, and we might use those too. Because we gave a lot of baby's clothes away, but we kept all the knitted stuff. How long does it take to make one of these pieces? It all depends, brother. There's always different timelines, and it's all not the same. Every carving is different. Oh, I better cut these toes out, eh? Where's my 13 chisel? Ripping the Cosby jersey. Cheer my bro. If I ruled the world, I'd give it all to you, girl. If I ruled the world, I'd give it all to you, girl. Are we there yet? Not yet. Dream of Electric Sheep. Thank you very much for the sub, brother, and the 2 months, my bro. Much appreciated, my bro. Every carving is different and every carving is the same. It's 9 PM here for me. Oh, Chur, brother. Hello, Yuan. Appreciate the gift on Pokemon Go regardless. Man, I need to hurry up and play that, eh? Auckland man should have came today. Would have been on. What do you do if you make a mistake in the carving? We don't make mistakes, brother. We make adjustments. I live in Oahu. It's 5 PM. Chur, my bro. One day, brother. I'll be there. One day. One day. So is Makaha located on the Malai Island too, brother? Or the other one? Happy little accidents. How's on in the keep? Does nothing bother you? Yeah, heaps of shit bothers me. Guided by the spirits in your carvings? I mean, they could be. I can't see them. They're probably watching me right now, or they're standing around me. I don't know. We lose that ability as we grow up. Only kids can see them. Or babies. And a certain amount of people. Like, it's still a practice that's done in my tribe. Like foresight or matakite, where you can talk to people. It's like my auntie, she's a matakite. So that's someone that can talk to the dead. But what she does is, so she's a matakite, but sometimes she'll sit there and then she'll start talking to someone, and she has a pen and a paper. She's not looking at it, but she's drawing. So one instance happened where she drew my grandfather. So she started out drawing a cowboy hat first, but she was like, "Oh, what's your name?" She didn't know who it was. But everyone knows my grandfather as Te Kaupoi, which is the cowboy, and he's bushman. Knew everything about the bush, but he always wore this cowboy hat. But she was drawing that, but she didn't know who it was. And she carried on talking, and then the face started to take shape, and she was like, "Oh." And yeah, it was my grandfather, and then she started drawing a little section underneath my grandfather, which happened to be my sister. It's a long time ago. But yeah, my mum still has this particular photo, and yeah, she does it all the time. Like, it only happens in moments. It's not constantly all the time. But yeah, she'll usually sit there and then start talking to someone. And I haven't seen it done in person, but my mum said she has, and she goes, yeah, it's different. You can feel something different around you. Yeah, pretty much. I'm just open about it because it's part of our culture. Not some heebie-jeebies, you know. Angry Rhino, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. Much appreciated, my bro. What does your culture believe in when you die? You die, you pass on, you go to the next life. I can't confirm what it is, but yeah. They all gather up north and then they move on from the Cape. So every matariki, that's when the spirits pass on. Oh, hey! Got our first ding. Damn, took a long time to do one of those. Man, how long's it been since I done one of those? 2018. Carrying on. It's not a cowboy hat. That's more of a Tamahiti kind of hat. Hey, Thunder. Are you gonna play Shadowlands when it comes out? Actually, I may not be because my daughter's due around that time, so probably not. But I wish everyone a fun time and have fun. Yeah, no, I won't be playing Shadowlands on release. Depends if the contractions start or never know. Because I won't leave Mrs. Brox's side until we get home. Regardless of how much sleep I don't get. Like with the first experience with my daughter, I didn't leave her side at all. Even though there was a shit policy with Whakatane Hospital, you weren't allowed to stay over, and that killed me, man. I couldn't stop it. Like, I wanted to be there, just be there for Mrs. Broxh, and yeah. Hold on, how do I say this name? Roll Ponlo something. Sorry, bro. Wow, that's a hard name. Roll Ponlo. Man, how do you say that? Yeah. Sponsored by Red Bull. Gears to no sleep. It's all good. It's bullshit, eh? Yeah, I hate it, man. Because I was getting angry, eh? Because I was like, why do you tell the fathers to go? Do you think we're going to do something? It's like, it's just a policy we have. I was like, man, do you know how hard it is to leave your partner and your newborn child alone in the room? But luckily enough, because my baby was born on the same day as her cousin, my sister-in-law was in the same room. And yeah, that was still hard. From experience. Are you excited for Demon Slayer movie? I most definitely am, brother. Man, we've been waiting long enough, eh? Heard about you from a mate yesterday. Just wanted to say you're a top bloke. Yeah, thank you, brother Sherlock. To my bro. I'm alright, mate. Have rich bloke, brother. Yeah. There it is. You can see it. So we're getting there. I don't know if you can see it all. But I'm thinking of designing under here too, under the face. I've seen some really old school ones they had designed under here. I don't know, see how I feel in the morning. Because we'll be up early. But yeah, that's him. So that's all we've done so far. Yeah, it's almost finished. I'll probably have to clean the back too. Scrape off all the fluff. There's still some levels to drop here. And then, yeah, I'll look at buying a stain. And we should be good. Yeah. Put old man to the side. Okay, whanau. Now I've got a few things to do this afternoon, but cheers for chilling with me on the stream. It's always good chilling with yous. I got a birthing centre over here now, and it's awesome. Chur. Yeah, I think yeah, I'll be catching baby this time around. Now I'm just gonna see who's on. Let go. Who's on? Who's on? Hey, he's got a camera. Yeah, we'll raid Uncle Roadworks. So thank you for chilling with me today, whanau. Yeah, it's that time of the day. I don't usually stream this late, but I'm glad I got a stream in regardless. Now, how many Z's does this fella have in his name? Uncle Road Works. I don't know how much Z's he has in his name, eh? Are you excited for the PS5? Yeah, PS5. PlayStation all day, brother. PlayStation all day. Okay, I'm just trying to... It's 3 Z's. Uncle Road Works. Okay. Here we go. That's the hardest part, is trying to get the name right. Raid. Uncle. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think I did it right. And go. Did I do it right, guys? Let me know if I did. I don't know if I did it right. Can the mods tell me if I done the right Uncle Roadworks name, please? I don't know if I did. Going through. Cool. Kapai. Okay, uncles and aunties, it's time for me to leave, and you have a good one. Just go and show some love to Uncle Roadworks. First time I've seen him with a camera, and I gotta go and turn it off inside now. So much love, whanau, and I'll see you tomorrow.